This is question number 3. Another question. The question is two particle A and B. Two particles A and B are in motion. If the wavelength associated with particle A is 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter, calculate the wavelength associated with particle B, comma, if the momentum of B is half of A. So here two particles are given, both the particles are in moving. One is A particle, one is B particle. The wavelength of particle A is given 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter, and you have to find out the wavelength of another particle B. The condition given, the momentum of B is half of A. So to do this numerical, how you have to do, as you have got according to de Broglie equation, lambda is equal h by mv. mv means mass into velocity. Mass into velocity, you can write momentum also. You can write h by p. So if you write the equation for the particle A, then you have to write lambda A is equal h by pa. Momentum of A. Similarly for B particle, lambda B is equal h by, you can write pb. So this is for particle A, this is for particle B. So now if you do lambda A by lambda B, then you will get h by pa divided by h by pb. So lambda A by lambda B, this equal you can write h by pa into pb by h. Ultimately h will be cancelled. That means you can write pb divided by pa. In question it is given the momentum of B is half of A. You can write half of pa. Momentum of B is half of the momentum of A divided by pa. So pa will be cancelled. So ultimately you can write lambda A by lambda B is equal half. So that means, therefore, you can write lambda B is equal 2 into lambda A. So lambda A means wavelength of A. Wavelength of A is given 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. So 2 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. So that means 10 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. So that means you can write 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So one particle wavelength is given. You can determine the wavelength of another particle also from the relation de Broglie equation. Okay, this is another question, question number 4. This question is from your textbook. Simple question. Calculate the wavelength of an electron. Calculate the wavelength of an electron moving with a velocity velocity of 2.05 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So this is one of the textbook question. Velocity is given, you have to find out the wavelength of the electron. So here also you can use the de Broglie equation. As you know, lambda is equal h by mv. H value is constant, you know, 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Mass of electron is constant, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And velocity of the electron is given 2.05 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. So this you can write 6.626 divided by 9.1 into 2.05 into 10 to the power, the resultant, this is minus 31 plus 7, so 7 minus 31, you will get minus 24, goes here to plus 24, so it remains 10 to the power minus 10. And unit you will get, as you know, joule. Joule you can write as kg meter square per second square into second. So this kg cancel, meter 1 meter cancel. So second inverse cancel, this second inverse cancel with another second inverse. So 1 meter will remain here. So that means the unit goes to meter. So after this you can do the calculation, 6.626. This one you can write like this way. So after calculation of this, you will get the answer in meter. After getting in meter, you try to convert in nanometer or picometer. So this is wavelength. Since the wavelengths are very small, that is why when you express the wavelength, you have to express this either in nanometer or in picometer. So this 10 to the power minus 10, if it remains 10 to the power minus 10, then you can write Armstrong, because 10 to the power minus 10 meter means you can write Armstrong. 10 to the power minus 9 meter means you can write nanometer. And if it goes to 10 to the power minus 12 meter, then you can write picometer also. So like this way, depending on this term, you can convert the wavelength unit either in Armstrong or in nanometer or in picometer. Like this, you express the answer. Thank you.